Welcome back to my channel, dear friends. Today we are going to learn another lessons. Rainy season. Rainy season comes after summer season. Rain is the water that falls from the clouds. Again, rain is the water that falls from the clouds. It rains a lot in the tropical area of our planet. Again, it rains a lot in the tropical area of our planet. Rain is very important for the crops. Again, rain is very important for the crops. Rain reduces pollutants by cleaning the air. Again, rain reduces pollutants by cleaning the air. Rain helps in refilling the water body. Rain helps in refilling the water body. Rain helps in refilling the water body. Children enjoy a lot in the rain. Again, children enjoy a lot in the rain. Dear friends, read after me. Children enjoy a lot in the rain. Nature looks green and beautiful. Nature looks green and beautiful. Dear friends, read after me. Nature looks green and beautiful. Rainy season is a boon for trees, birds, and animals. Again, rainy season is a boon for trees, birds, and animals. Farmers become happy as it helps in their growth of their crops. Again, farmers become happy as it helps in their growth of their crops. Rainbow is seen in the rainy season. Again, rainbow is seen in the rainy season. Dear friends, read after me. Rainbow is seen in the rainy season. Thanks for watching. For getting more new videos, please subscribe my channel.